Profit and losses are subject to the market risk. Before taking any investment decision, please ensure with your financial advisor. The rain industry stock quoted a 52-week of high rupees 128 and a 52-week of low rupees 44. Valuation ratio according to BSE data, stock is trading at 0.67 times to its book value. Data days have improved from 42.69 to 32.42 days. Market cap of company stood at rupees 3,303 crore on July 2020. Shareholding pattern as of 30 June 2020. Foreign institutional investors FII held 13.55% stake in the company, while the promoters held 41.14% stake in the company, while mutual fund held 1% stake in the company. Rain industry company scheduled to announce its June quarter earning report on 30 July 2020. Rain industry is engaged in sale of products and providing shared support services to its group companies. And finally, to avoid huge losses in the stock market, please ensure a strict stop loss. And thanks for your vote of confidence.